Wood carving is reaching a new level, requiring high quality and the ability to execute the work perfectly. This man came up with the idea to create a jacuzzi inside the trunk of an old tree in his backyard, making it environmentally friendly. This beautiful girl can perform heavy work perfectly, showcasing her impressive skills. Fearless, this girl handles bees as if they were her friends, displaying the expertise of a professional beekeeper. See how you can make your car rims blue by purchasing a special film. Car owners often face the problem of foggy headlights after a few years of driving, a problem solved with a special heating method. A bartender knows how to attract attention, turning cocktail making into a grand show, demonstrating professional juggling skills. Finding a good gardener is a real challenge, especially one capable of turning shrubs into true masterpieces. Tennis ball production is not a complicated process, but requires skill and the ability to perform repetitive tasks. The impressive process of casting a metal grill takes place at a temperature of 1,722 degrees Fahrenheit. An excavator works with surgical precision, removing the turf for road surfaces without unnecessary movements. On foundries, remnants of raw materials that can no longer be used are poured onto the ground, creating the illusion of flowing lava. Thanks to bold workers clearing roadside drains from debris, accidents and traffic jams on roads sharply decreased. A woman in the bank can count money faster than any counting machine. When harvesting on a tea plantation, only the top of the bushes is cut, and only the top 4 leaves can be used in tea production. The skill of quickly folding pants can certainly come in handy in any clothing store. To turn an old plastic chair into a new one, it needs to be heated with a soldering lamp. Quick reactions can prevent unpleasant consequences during loading and unloading of goods. Changing a tractor tire without special equipment can only be done by a mechanic with a lot of experience and strong hands. Waste cleanup workers demonstrate impressive agility, leaving no chance for pollution on their territory. It's amazing how quickly a guy wraps a box in less than 10 seconds. A perfectly smooth floor with a beautiful pattern can be achieved with epoxy coating and imagination. A clever idea to paint a table in the color of granite and emphasize solid architecture in the design. Here's another interesting way to turn a white wall into a brick one using only paint. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.